Welcome back to Punctuation School. I'm Charlie. We're going to do Sensei Says Level 2. In Level 2, I'm not going to show you the actions. You have to remember the actions. Are you ready? Sensei says full stop. Sensei says hyphen. Sensei says apostrophe. Ellipses. You didn't do it, did you? Sensei didn't say. Sensei says ellipses. Sensei says brackets. Sensei says hyphen. Capital letter. You didn't do it, did you? Sensei didn't say. Sensei says question mark. Sensei says exclamation mark. Sensei says talking marks. Ellipses. You didn't do it, did you? Sensei didn't say. Sensei says ellipses. Sensei says comma. Apostrophe. You didn't do it, did you? Sensei says colon. Sensei says brackets. Sensei says semicolon. Ellipses. You didn't do it, did you? Sensei says ellipses. Sensei says full stop. Sensei says apostrophe. Sensei says talking marks. Sensei says capital letter. Full stop. You didn't do it, did you? Sensei says full stop. Exclamation mark. Did you do the actions? You shouldn't have. Sensei says exclamation mark. Sensei says apostrophe. Sensei says question mark. Sensei says talking marks. Sensei says capital letter. Full stop. Didn't you do it or not? Good job. See ya for level 3.